So I have been shopping for a backpack. I've been carrying two. I've been carrying my Kelty, which I do love. It is great for travel. And I've been having a smaller one, an Eddie Bauer that I've been going, and I'm not in love with the Eddie Bauer at all. I'm going to let it go. But I needed a bag that I could just have one and not two. So that I could take my clothes up there, but yet unload my clothes and still be functional for my needs going back and forth to my post, right? And enter Kuhl. This is a 25-liter Escape. I love this bag. It is phenomenal. Well, the look of it is fantastic, right? So one of the things I absolutely love about it is the straps. They're magnetic. They lock together, just touching each other, boom, clasp. So this bag, to break it down real simple, it's got the two zippers here and the clasp there. It opens up and it's an open compartment here that you can put. This would be work great for me for my day-to-day life up there in the slope, right? So it's got your two slash pockets here in front, one here and one here. It'd be great for like your, I don't know, your AirPods, ID, small items, right? So this is great. I love it. Now, it has one on each side. It has your bottle compartments. But, I mean, these are tough. They expand out. They would hold an Nalgene. And what I like about it is you have your compression straps up here to pull it in, right? That also will double to hold your bottle in there through the loop. Right through there, attach it. It's not going anywhere. And honestly, I don't think it would fall out anyway because this is pretty sturdy. And it has the elastic there. I like this a lot. On the top here, you have a zipper that has the soft lining in it, so your glasses or something you want to put in there that you don't want scratched up. And it's pretty deep. It goes the whole length of this. It's awesome. And isn't this color great? So in the back here, which another thing I really like, is you got your laptop compartment, which is padded. It doesn't go all the way to the bottom, so you drop your bag, you're not going to be smacking your laptop on a hard surface. It goes up. Now inside, it's all cushioned, and you have a laptop compartment, but you also have another compartment for your iPad. Isn't that freaking great? Love it. And then you got a book or something else you want to put in there, there's plenty of room to slide that in there too. So that's definitely a win for me. But what I really love is this. It is a clam. And let me tell you, these zippers are tough. I tell you, freaking awesome. The clam's open. You see there, it's pretty deep. You can get quite a bit in there. It has a slash compartment here, netting to the front. Then you have a zip compartment on top. Now, I just think that is great, that I can have that clammed up, have my laptop in there, have my iPad in there, and everything else that it has. It's so rugged. Now, it's not waterproof. Now, if you get the nylon one, it is. This one's water resistant, but honestly, I like how the canvas wear. It looks cool. It just ages over time, and I think I'm going to have this backpack for a very long time. The strap in front is the same, magnetic. I mean, it goes in there, no trouble at all. Boom, it lasts. I mean, look at that, just boom. It's great. Straps are tough. These are extremely rugged. I just love it. It has a small waistband. It's not a big waistband. But you know, I don't even use a waistband going back and forth to work. Hiking, maybe. But all in all, I just love the looks of it. I love this bag. Now, it is a little heavier. This is right around 3 or 4 pounds. I think it shows 3. So it is a heavier backpack. And if you're wanting a light backpack, you don't care what it looks like. And this isn't the bag for you. This does come with a price tag. Right now, if you go on the KÜHL site, I think it's around $289. Don't quote me on that, but around $289, $300. It's a little more up there. But if you want a bag that you're going to buy once, a bag that looks great, that's built tough, and this is for me. I don't care about the little extra weight, and I was happy to pay the price because I'll only buy it once. And honestly, I don't know if you all use KÜHL. I use KÜHL a lot. Their clothing and their accessories, they are an amazing brand. and you really can't go wrong with them. I will sing their praise every day of the week. I love their brand. So this is a fantastic bag. I love it. It is exactly what I was looking for, and wish I'd have got it sooner, but it is going to Alaska with me this week. So totally excited about that. I'm sure it's going to work out the way I want, and I would encourage y'all to give KÜHL a try. And again, this is the Eskape 25-liter backpack.